Welcome to Solo Orthotics, where the souls of tomorrow are being made today. Solo, or serve others, love others, is not only their company name, but also a motto that describes them very well. At Wilson West Middle School, we've been exploring how Solo Labs mixes new technology with handmade techniques. At Solo, we've discovered that their employees are more similar to a family rather than co-workers. They all have official titles, but let's call them the Stars Solo. Solo has carefully laid out the steps to making their souls on this board. Not long ago, Solo was functioning with very little modern technology. Because their customization process is so extensive, they soon found it very time-consuming. With new 3D printing and laser cutting techniques, Solo can quickly create soul bases and still embrace the personalized aspect of their souls.
We either get a cast or we get a scan. There are a couple different ways we can get this, but we need an impression of the foot from the doctor.
Solo takes the scan or cast and takes it through their traditional process. They cut the sole into wood and cover it with a coating. They then add padding and repeat this for 3 steps. It's then covered in the final layers and then shipped to the customer.
But there are no two that will ever come through that are the same.
Solo has worked to simplify their manufacturing process using new technologies. With new advanced precise cutting methods, Solo can quickly create soul bases and still embrace the personalized aspect of their souls. Remember that board from earlier? Yes, that one. Laser cutting and 3D printing have helped eliminate almost half the steps on the board, all while manufacturing souls in less than half the time. The hard work has been nothing but beneficial for Solo and for their customers. Thank you to Solo Custom Orthotics for letting our team learn more about how present-day technology incorporates itself into the traditional way of making custom orthotics.